Here's a 2014 Chevrolet Malibu. Dramatic style with a strong sense of safety. This Malibu is style with a purpose. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and remote engine start. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.